Namaste. Class 10th Mathematics NCERT syllabus. Chapter number 1 Real Numbers. Euclid's division lemma. Let a and b be any two positive integers, then there exist two unique whole numbers q and r such that a equal to bq plus r, 0 less than or equal to r less than b. Here a is called the dividend, b is called the divisor, q is called the quotient, and r is called the remainder. Alternatively, dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder, where remainder is either 0 or less than divisor. Proof. We know from long division method a by b, so this is q is quotient, remainder r 0, 1, 2, etc. So b minus 1. Therefore, a equal to b into q plus r, where 0 less than or equal to r less than b. It means remainder vary from 0 to b. 0 to b ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ less than b ಇರುತ್ತೆ, not equal to b, less than b. Remainder sometimes equal to 0, sometimes it vary above 0, but less than b. Uniqueness of q and r. Uniqueness of q and r. We have from above that a equal to bq plus r, where r vary from 0 to b, but remainder is less than b. If possible, let a equal to b into q1 plus r1, where 0 less than or equal to r1 less than b. Equating the two values of a we have. ಇದೆರಡು ಈಕ್ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. LHS are equal. So a means bq plus r equal to bq1 plus r1. So call it as equation number 1. So bq ಇದನ್ನು ಈ ಕಡೆ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ minus bq1 equal to r1. This r is shifted to RHS side. So minus r. So then r1 minus r equal to b is common. Take b as common. b into q minus q1. It implies r1 minus r is divisible by b. It implies r1 minus r equal to 0 because 0 less than or equal to r less than b and 0 less than or equal to r1 less than b. It implies 0 less than or equal to r1 minus r less than b. And only non-negative integer 0 is divisible by a natural number b. It implies r1 equal to r. Putting r1 equal to r in equation number 1, bq plus r equal to bq1 plus r. So remainder cancel. It implies bq equal to bq1. Dividing both sides by b not equal to 0. ಇಲ್ಲಿ b equal to 0 ಇಲ್ಲ ಆಯಿತಾ, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇದನ್ನು ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. Then q equal to q1. Therefore q and r are unique. Euclid's division algorithm. It is a technique to compute the HCF of two positive integers a and b, a greater than b. Its steps are as follows. First step, applying Euclid's division lemma to a and b. Find whole numbers q and r such that a equal to bq plus r, where 0 less than or equal to r less than b. Remainder sometimes 0 ಬರುತ್ತೆ, sometimes ಏನೋ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, but less than b ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. b means divisor. If r equal to 0, remainder equal to 0, then HCF of A comma B is B. If R not equal to 0, apply Euclid's division lemma to B and R. Third step, continue this process till we get the remainder as 0. The divisor at this stage gives the required HCF. Okay, thank you so much.